A pleasant evening, everyone. Welcome back to the course. Good to see you all. Right. So we have about 50 participants as of now. The others may join us shortly. Yeah. So yesterday we learned all about daily routine, what we do on a daily basis, right? And I gave you a task. Your task was to prepare a speech based on the questions and answers I gave you yesterday. And I'm sure you wrote a speech, you practiced a speech, and you delivered it to your friends. So by now, you should be able to speak around 20 sentences about daily routine, right? Yeah. And I told you the daily routine is in simple present tense. A couple of days ago, we learned about simple present tense with the 5 rules, 4 structures, 10 signal words, around 20 plus examples. We also looked at present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, 2 rules. We looked at 2 rules. An action is happening now at the time of speaking, or second rule, an action is in progress. We are attending online classes. Action in progress. You are listening to me now is present continuous tense. An action is happening now. You are listening to me. I'm teaching you something. The fan is running. These are the 2 rules. And I gave you structure for positive, negative, yes or no question, WH question. All right. Now, I want you to write down these examples, these questions. This is over. This part is over. Now let's deal with present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now I want you to take all these questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 questions. Okay, let's take 10. Number 10. What are your friends doing? What are your friends doing now? What are your friends doing now? We have 10 questions on the board. I want you to write these. I want you to write answers. And I want you to ask your neighbors what they are doing. What am I doing now? What is he doing now? What is he doing now? Okay, what is she? What is she doing now? What is Raju doing now? What are children doing now? What are we doing? What are they doing? What are you doing? What are your parents doing? What are your friends doing? So please take these questions, write answers for yourself, and then talk to your neighbors about this. Please do it fast. Are you all doing it? Please take them down. Please mute yourself, both the audio and video, please mute. And if my screen is not large enough, please pin on my photo. You get my screen large on your phone. Okay? Yeah. Please write down these questions and write answers. After that, ask these questions to your neighbors, to your family members. That is the task. Please do it quickly. Have you finished writing? Have you finished the task? No response? Are you all there? Can I wipe it now? All right. Okay, now let's go to the second task. Now the task is what we are not doing now, okay? For example, I'm not sleeping now. She's not wasting her time. Okay, so this is a negative, present continuous negative sentence. So I want you to write with all the subjects. I, he, she, it, Raju, Rani, you, we, they, children, parents. I want you to write sentences like this with all these subjects. Present continuous tense, negative. Please write with every subject. Sorry, all writing, keep writing, please. Have you finished writing? Have you finished writing? Yeah, please give me thumbs up if you have finished writing so that we can move on to the next. That's great. Now, we move on to the next one. Am I learning something now? Am I learning something now? Similarly, is he, is she, is Raju, is it, is Rani, are we, are they, are you, are children, are parents, are friends. Am I learning something now? Are you listening to me now? So like this, please write yes or no questions. For singular subject, it is is. Is he disturbing you? Is she helping you? Are they playing in the ground? So please write down these. All right. All right. Have you finished writing? Everyone, please raise your hand. Have you finished writing? Can I wipe the board? Give me a thumbs up if I can wipe the board. I don't see your thumbs up. I think you guys are all active. Can I have your response? All right, thank you. Okay, let's now move on to the next tense. Let's now move on to the next tense. The next tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So far we have looked at simple present tense and present continuous. For each tense, I've given you the rules, the examples, the structures, and the signal words. Let's now look at present perfect tense. It has got two rules. Rule 1. An action has happened just now or recently. Just now or recently, within bracket, within 3 to 4 hours. We have just joined the class. We have just joined the class. Now please listen to the rule. If you listen to the rule, you understand. The rule is simple. An action has happened just now, recently, within 3 or 4 hours. For example, now the time is 6. Go back 3 to 4 hours. Let's say 2 o'clock. From 2 to 6 o'clock. Whatever action has happened from 2 to 6 p.m. That action we should speak in present perfect tense. I have drunk tea just now. I have joined class just now. She has called me just now. This is present perfect tense. ఏదైనా పని ఇప్పుడే జరిగి అయిపోతే ఆ పనిని గురించి మాట్లాడటానికి present perfect tense వాడతాం. ఏదైనా పని ఇప్పుడే ఒక 3 లేదా 4 గంటల లోపల, ఇప్పుడు సమయం 6 అయింది అనుకుంటే వెనక్కి ఒక 3-4 గంటలు వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి 2 నుంచి 6 మధ్యలో ఏ పని జరిగినా ఆ పనిని మనం present perfect tense లో మాట్లాడాలి. Is the rule 1 clear? So please take down the example. Now the structure. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object or complement. I have waited for you. I have waited for you. Please take down rule number 1, the structure and example. Quickly. Have you finished writing? Let's go to rule number 2. Yeah. Rule number 1 is easy. Rule number 1 is easy. An action has happened just now, recently, within 3 or 4 hours from now, backwards. Okay, I have called him just now. She has come late. She has come late. So instead of using present perfect, many people use simple past, which is wrong. All right. Rule 2. An action happened in the past, but still fresh in memory. But still fresh in memory. An action happened in the past, but the memory is still fresh in our mind. Okay, for example, she has finished her BTech recently. He has joined a job, or let us say he has got a job. He has got a job recently. Okay, let me give you an example first, then you understand the rule. She has finished her BTech recently. It could be a week ago, it could be a month ago. Still, we can say she has finished her BTech recently because studying BTech for 4 years is so memorable. Therefore, we can say she has finished her BTech recently, though the BTech got over a month ago. ఏదైనా పని ఎప్పుడో జరిగి అయిపోయినా అది ఇంకా మన జ్ఞాపకాల్లో ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం ప్రెసెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ లో చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఆమె బీటెక్ అయిపోయింది, ఒక 1 month అయింది అయిపోయి, కానీ మన ప్రెసెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ లో షీ హ్యాస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అవర్ బీటెక్ రీసెంట్లీ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. Another example, he has got a job recently, maybe last week, maybe last month. Still, we can say he has got a job recently. This is rule number 2. Please take down the rule and examples quickly. Have you finished writing? Can I write these two? Both the rules so that I can give you structure and more examples. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. So let's have the structure, and I want you to write more examples for this structure. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. So I always take have. I have drunk tea just now. He has, she, it, Raju, Rani, you have eaten a fruit. Plural subjects. They, children, parents, friends. Okay? So these are singular subjects. Yes, for singular subjects. These are plural subjects. The structure and examples. Can you see he, she, it, Raju, Rani, singular subjects. Therefore, you need has. Here, you, we, they, children, parents, friends. And you need helping verb have, followed by V3. Verb 3, third form of the verb. So please take them down and fill in the blanks. Write down these on your own, following the example that I have given you on the board. So it is your time now to write more examples. Are you all writing? Or have you finished writing? Please let me know if you have finished writing. I shall give you the negative structure. Please give me a thumbs up if you have finished writing. Shall we go to the next one? Negative structure. Today people are not giving me thumbs up here as an indication of finishing. All right. Can I wipe it? Can I wipe it? Right, thank you. Let's now look at negative structure. Subject plus has or have plus not plus V3 plus object or complement. She has not called me. She has not called me. He, Raju, Rani, it. All right. We have not wasted time. You, they, children, friends, parents. Please take down this negative structure. These are singular. SS stands for singular subject. These are plural subjects. PS stands for plural subject. Negative structure. Please take down the structure, example, and the other subjects. You write your own examples following this sample that I've given you. Please do it. All right, have you finished writing negative structure and examples? Have you finished writing these? Please indicate. All right. Let's now go to the next structure. Yes or no question structure. Has or have plus subject plus V3 plus object or complement plus question mark. Has she joined late? Has she joined late? Has he? Has Raju? Has Rani? Has it? And then, have you forgotten me? Have you forgotten me? Have we? Have they? Have children? Have parents? So this is singular subject and this is plural subject. Take down the structure, examples, and the rest you need to write on your own. Please do it. So have you finished writing? Yes or no question? Finish writing? Shall we move to the next structure? All right. If you remember, I told you simple logic. To frame yes or no WH question from yes or no question. You just add WH here. WH. Why has she joined late? See, why has she joined late? You just add WH here. Why has she joined late? The remaining structure is same. Okay. WH here. WH plus has or have plus subject plus V3 plus object or complement plus question mark. Why has she joined late? Why, where? You can use all these. Where, why, who, which, how, when. You can use all this here. Why have you forgotten me? Why have you forgotten me? All right? Have you finished writing WH questions? WH questions for present perfect tense. Have you finished writing? Can I wipe it? Thumbs up, please. That's great. All right. So we have looked at 4 structures, 2 rules, nearly 20 examples. Now let's do some more practice. I have not eaten snacks. I have eaten snacks. I have eaten snacks. I have not eaten snacks. Have I eaten snacks? When have I eaten snacks? Okay. Please write like this 4 more examples. Okay. I have not. Have I? Why have I? Please complete these. Please complete the second part. Have you finished writing? I've given you four sample, positive, negative, yes or no question, WH. And you are supposed to fill up these blanks. Let me give you one more. She has broken it. She has not broken it. Has she broken it? Why has she broken it? Okay, once again, positive, negative, yes or no question, WH question, and it is singular subject. Now you can try with he. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please try with he. I've given you example with she. Now you are supposed to write with he. 4 sentences, please. Positive, negative, yes or no question, WH question. All right? Have you finished writing? Is it done, everyone? That's great. Now let's look at plural subject. We have understood this. We have not understood this. Have we understood this? When have we understood this? Now it's a plural subject. We, therefore we have. Plural subject, we have helping word and V3. Now you please try with you, all the 4. Please take down examples with we and you try 4 examples with you. All right. Have you finished? Okay, let's go to one last. Children have played cricket. Children have children have not played cricket. Have children played cricket? So this is also plural subject, and we have helping verb have. Take it down, and I want you to write 4 sentences with the parents. Please write 4 sentences with the parents. Yeah. Parents have come here. Parents have not come here. Have parents come here? Why have parents come here? Or when have parents come here? Understood? So this is how we can write for singular subject and plural subject, positive sentence, negative sentence, yes or no question sentence, WH question sentence. And for each structure, I want you to write 5 to 10 examples like this. For each structure, positive structure, 10 examples, negative structure, 10 examples, yes or no question structure, 10 examples, WH question structure, 10 examples. All right? Okay. So this is all about present perfect tense. Let me recapitulate. Let me revise. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense rules. 2 rules. Rule number 1. An action has happened just now, recently, within 3 or 4 hours. We have started class at 6 p.m. She has come late. Okay? They have met me just now. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. An action has happened in the past, but it is still fresh in our memory. She has recently finished her studies. I have got a job recently. The meaning, actually, maybe I got job a week ago, a month ago. Still, we can say, I have got a job recently. I have joined this company recently. These are the 2 rules and examples. Structures, I gave you 4 structures: positive structure, negative structure, yes or no question structure, and WH question structure. Now the ball is in your court. You are supposed to write more examples. The more you write, the better you would become. The faster you can pick up the language. All right. Hope you have learned present perfect well. Now I want you to write more examples. Please be regular to the class. Be punctual to the class. Do not miss class for any reason. We make sure that you learn something every day so that you can improve your language step by step. Any questions, any queries? I mean, you may text me personally. I hope you're learning well. I hope these classes are bringing some change in your language. Okay? Thank you all for your active participation. Bye-bye for now. Take care. See you again tomorrow. Please, let's not miss classes. See you all. Bye-bye.